Hey, have you ever felt like you are swimming against the current of life? Like no matter how hard you try, your dreams just keep slipping through your fingers? Yeah, me too. But what if I told you that the key to unlocking your wildest dream has been inside you all along? Buckle up because we are about to dive into mind-bending world of the law of assumption. I'm not talking about some woo-woo magic here, folks. This is about the raw power of your own mind. The law of assumption is not just another self-help pad. It is the secret sauce that has been flavoring the success of high achievers for centuries. But here is the kicker. Most of us are using it wrong and it's costing us big time. Let us be real for a second. How many of us are control freaks? Raise his hand, guilty as charged. We think if we just plan enough, work hard enough, we can force our dreams into reality. But here is the brutal truth that white knuckle grip on control, it's actually strangling our dreams. Think about it. How exhausting is it to try and manipulate every little detail of your life? It is like trying herd cats while juggling flaming torches, and the worst part, it does not even work. The more we try to control, the more life seems to spiral out of control. Here is where the law of assumption flips the script. Instead of trying to strong arm reality, we need to surrender. I know, surrender sounds like giving up, but it is actually about letting go, acknowledging that maybe, just maybe, the universe has a better plan than our stressed out brains can come up with. But let us say you are on a board with letting go, you still hit another massive roadblock. That annoying voice in your head, the one, it is always ready with a greatest hits album of your failures, doubts and fears. And let me tell you that inner critic is the ultimate dream killer. Every time you start to believe in your dreams, that voice pipes up. Who do you think you are? You will never pull that off. It is impossible. And before you know it, you are back in your comfort zone, dreams gathering dust on the shelf. This is where the law of assumption becomes your secret weapon. It is time to become aware of those thoughts, catch them in the act, and then here is the crucial part. Flip the script. Replace I cannot with I am. Your mind does not know the difference between the reality and the imagination. So imagine the hell out of your success. Now, I can already hear some of you saying, but I have tried positive thinking all the time. It does not work. And you're right if you are just slapping a smiley face sticker over your doubts, you're missing the point entirely. Hearted affirmations are about as effective as a chocolate teapot. If you don't believe it in your bones, the universe is not buying it either. And that is where most people get stuck halfway between their old reality and their dreams. The real power of the law of assumption is not in thinking, it is in being. You have got to embody your future self, feel it, taste it, live it. When you are brushing your teeth, do it as a successful version of you. When you are stuck in traffic, sit there as if you have already achieved your dreams. It is not fake it till you make it. It is fake it till you become it. This is the game changer, folks. When you truly assume the state of your desire, when you live from the end result, you set off a chain reaction in the universe. Opportunities start popping up like this. The right people cross your path. Suddenly, the impossible becomes inevitable. So here is your mission. Should you choose to accept it for the next 24 hours, live as if your dreams have already come true. Feel the feeling, make decisions as that version of you. Let go of the how and focus on the who, the person you are becoming. You might just be surprised at how quickly your reality starts to catch up with your assumptions. Now, I want to hear from you. What is one assumption you are going to change today? Drop it in the comments below. And if you are ready to dive deeper into the law of assumption, hit that subscribe button. We are just getting started on this wild ride of manifesting our dreams. Until next time, assume greatness, because that is exactly what you are. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.